Alright guys, so I figured I would go ahead and do an update video of the ceiling fans at Home Depot 2017. So, not really much has changed, but there's a couple things that certainly have changed. The Ultra's been there for quite a couple years now. Hasn't actually changed. There used to be a Hampton Bay Industrial right where my finger was, and they took that down. That's kind of sad because I miss it. But yeah. I don't know about this one, but that light is definitely brighter than my future. I just have to put that out there. I'm sorry. Now, if I would choose to pick, if I had to pick a Home Depot fan, it would definitely be the Breezemore, which is right here. It's got a whole bunch of features to it. I'll let you just take a look at that. It's basically a smaller Ultra. Pretty cool fan. It's interesting how they now have DC motors. I like that. And yeah, we'll go on the other side, Farmington. Yeah, all the stuff, clearance stuff. Heaters, I suppose. This reminds me of like the San Marino. Looks like a San Marino. I think that's actually an SMC Littleton. I don't think that's actually like a air cool. I think that's an SMC made Littleton. It's been there for years. Hauled in with a broken light, I suppose. I don't know if this is new or not, but I like this. I like the up light and I like the bottom light. It's really bright. That's pretty cool. I like that. And I don't know what that beeping sound is, if there's a smoke alarm or something in Home Depot. I'm not sure what's going on, but there you have it. There's really all the fans, and there's a Dayton up there if you can see it spinning. Alright, that's all the fans at Home Depot for 2017. Thank you for watching.